everyone. I'm so excited to be back with you. I am not in my kitchen. I'm actually on vacation here. It's my grandson's birthday and we're having a party today. And look at the beautiful Vegas Strip. And I am here at the wonderful Marriott Chateau Resort. And so I'm sipping some coffee and I'm gonna take you right to their kitchen. And I'm going to show you what a quick little breakfast we can do in that little kitchen. I'll be right back. Here we are in this cute, wonderful little kitchen. It's so adorable and I'm so happy to be here. So I'm going to put this down and I'm going to have you come right over here. And this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a couple of sandwich thins, and I've got oral wheat here. And you're going to need some spinach if you choose to put it in. You're going to need, oh, I forgot. You're going to need some sliced cheese, and I'm using Colby Jack. Eggs, I've got eggs here. Salt and pepper. And I saw this cute little waffle maker, and that's what I'm using today. And I have it warming here. I have it plugged in. So the very first thing I'm going to do is lift this. And I'm going to spray a little bit of spray, and this is the one I'm using, and I absolutely love it. It's a more healthy spray. You're going to crack the egg. You're going to just put it in there like that. You're going to break this little yolk like that. You're going to get some salt. You're going to get some pepper, and you can get this spinach, and I kind of tore it and just put it around like this. I like a lot of spinach. You don't have to put spinach. You can put any other dressing that you want, but I'm putting spinach, and I'm going to put this cheese here, and I'm just going to cut the corners off, but I'm still going to use them just so it fits in there. Put it right in there, and throw your other cheeses on there because you don't want to waste them. And all you do is close the lid. Okay, it's been about 2.5 minutes, and look at how beautiful this is. We've got the spinach in there, the cheese. I want you to look at the bottom. Look at how beautiful that is. I actually put another slice of cheese because I like a lot of cheese. You've got the spinach, the egg, and you can even put salsa if you want, which I absolutely love. And there is your beautiful breakfast sandwich. How easy was that? I cut one up over here. You can see how beautiful the inside is. I'm going to eat this one. I'm going to make one for my husband. And you can serve it with some fruit. And I am going to see you back in my kitchen for another show. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this. And have a great day. Bye. A well-deserved break. We decree you come into a season that is devoid of intense warfare and constant struggle. We prophesy that you experience an obvious and sudden moment of reprieve and alleviation from your battles. May you look about you in this moment and find that every enemy and attack is nowhere to be found. We declare a supernatural rest from your enemies, and we speak that you enter into a well-deserved break that comes from God. We speak that a season to build and progress comes upon you. Within you rises a refreshed ability to pause and enjoy life, relax and unwind. We say that you pause to know God in a fresh new way. May your experience with the Lord become saturated with sweet, gentle wind from the Spirit. We say take a break and recharge now.